Hello, welcome to my YouTube tutorial. I'm going to show you how you can convert audio files from WhatsApp to this amazing app called Audio Convert. It's such a cool app. So what you need to do is head over to the App Store, type in Audio Convert. So it looks like this. Install it on your iPad or iPhone. Open the app. So it looks like this. So as you can see, you've got original videos, you've got processed, you've got more. You can purchase the full app here. It's $1.99. It unlocks all the full features, but it's not needed. It's only optional. So once you transfer all the original videos to this app, you can select what you want to render, and then it will process it in this app. So at the moment I'm just playing around with this app. I am familiarizing myself with this app. So as you can see, you can create a new folder. You can save all your original files to this folder, so it's categorized. So I've created a folder. I'm going to delete it now. I don't need it. I'm just showing you for demonstration purposes what you need to do. You don't need to create a folder. It's just optional. So I'm going to head over now to WhatsApp and I'm going to show you how to convert audio files. This is a video tutorial about converting WhatsApp audio to MP3 or any other audio format using Audio Convert. So you just tap and hold on, and then you select forward. You tap on that, and then you select copy to Audio Convert, and then you tap on original videos. There's your WhatsApp file. You tap on that. You can rename it. It's always good to rename. So once you've renamed it, you can play it. Tap on the free trial. This is a video tutorial about converting WhatsApp audio to MP3 or any other audio format using Audio Convert. So you just head back to the app. And now what I'm going to do, I'm going to tap on the file, select convert audio. So look, as you can see, there's all the different formats here. This is just a trial version. So once you unlock, there's going to be more formats to select from. So yeah, that's the volume. There's the audio channel count, and then like you got the sampling rate here. I left everything as default. Bit rate, left that as default. Don't want to mess around with that. So yeah, tap on done. Start conversion. Tap on that. Then it's converted. It's rendered basically. So that's the original video, and that's MP3. Can you see? It's converted to MP3. This is a video tutorial about converting WhatsApp audio to MP3 or any other audio format using Audio Convert. Okay, so what I'm going to do now is tap on send, and then scroll down, select save to files, and then I want to save it onto my iCloud drive. So I'm going to select on my iPhone, go to save, and now it's on my iCloud in my folder called files. So as you can see, if you tap on the recent, and then you're going to see the file here. This is a video tutorial about converting WhatsApp audio to MP3 or any other audio format using Audio Convert. So I'm going to tap on this file now and then select info. So as you can see, it says MP3. So this is an official certified conversion to MP3. I hope this video tutorial helps. Please like and subscribe. Thanks.